husband is 77 years old. He's fallen twice in the last 6 weeks. Very severe falls. He's had tremors like this for years. He's not been able to stand up straight and walk. He stumbles. His head has been this way forever. He's been seeing this lady 3 times. 3 times. Please hold out your hands. His hands are always like this. As far as I'm concerned, that's a miracle.
Yes, it is.
She's my hero. If you can't move, if you can't walk, and you can't stand up straight, go see her. She's an angel from God. She